Hello. 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 Hey mate, you okay?
I'm going to find the sat nav to try and navigate where I'm going.
Yeah, we got a passenger who can do that, haven't you? Pardon? We got a passenger who can do the sat nav, haven't you?
Because you said you've had 6 chandeliers, obviously we've passed you going like a considerable pace coming down and require you to provide a specimen of breath, okay?
Yeah. So, obviously my colleagues pulled you over. I haven't witnessed it, however he said that he's seen you swerving out over the road, okay? Due to that, there's now a reasonable suspicion, right, for...
Wait, I'm not going to lie to you, I have had a drink, so...
Yeah, you have you? Okay, what have you had to drink? What have you had to drink?
Some wine.
Some wine, is it? How many glasses?
I'm not too sure.
A few?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Hello. Hello. Hello mate, talk to me buddy. Mr. Police.
You been drinking?
I have. That's my missus. She don't know the area.
No, I appreciate
I'm
it,
trying
mate.
to navigate and trying to find where we are.
Right.
So you've had a drink tonight, have you?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright mate. Come sit in the back of my car for me please buddy.
Sorry.
That's okay.
So I now require you to provide a specimen of breath by means of analysis. Failure to do so could hold you liable for prosecution. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So I'll hold on to it, just blow a long continuous breath until I say stop. Do you understand?
Yeah, blow into it, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, close your mouth, firm C on blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Keep going, keep going, keep...
So the legal limit is 35, okay? You've blown 83.
Blown 69. Okay, so it's a fail.
You've blown 89. So the time now is 00:30. I'm arrested on suspicion of driving with excess alcohol, okay?
You're under arrest on suspicion of drink driving. Don't have to say anything, but it may have my defence. If you don't mention one question, something which you later
only
on
been
called.
drinking shandies.
Anything you do say, maybe giving an evidence, okay? Do you understand?
Yeah, I've only been drinking shandies.
I understand that, mate, but obviously, we breath out, just come back as 83, so you're 2 times over the legal limit.
I have to place you under arrest under section 5 of the Road Traffic Act, all right? That's essentially blowing over the limit of the roadside.
Right, we're struggling to get a breathalyser for you at the minute. However, you've already told me that you've had a drink tonight.
Yeah.
Okay. In my professional opinion,
Yep.
I would describe you as intoxicated. I found you behind the wheel of a vehicle, which appears to have come off the road. Okay.
Yeah.
So for that reasons, you need to be arrested. Okay. So
Okay.
the time is 21 minutes past 8. You're going to be arrested for.